Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about forming simple past tense of regular and irregular verbs. What is irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs that form the past tense by adding the letter D or ed at the end of the word. Example of irregular verbs. From simple present to simple past. Live to lived. Start to started. Die, died. Visit, visited. Play, played. Watch, watch. Phone, phoned. Marry, married. We go now to irregular verbs. The verbs was, wrote are irregular past forms. Was is the simple past of to be, while wrote is the simple past of write. There is no rule for these verbs. Example, in the simple present to simple past. Be, the simple past of be is was or were. Write, simple past wrote. Come to came. Do to did. Meet to met. Speak to spoke. Some irregular verbs have a vowel change in the past tense. Examples. In the simple tense, become to past tense became. Give to gave. Drive to drove. Forget to forgot. Other irregular verbs have a different kind of change. Examples. From simple form to past tense. Teach, taught. Bring, brought. Live, left. Hear, heard. Buy, bought. And some irregular verbs do not change at all. Example, from simple form to past tense. Hit, hit. Set, set. Sit, sit. Thank you, grade 4, for listening. And God bless you always. See you again next time.